Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I'm back with my next episode of Words of Wisdom, and today is really a very surprising person that I have come with, and I'm sure you're going to love this episode. Today I'm with a very known Indian columnist, humorist, writer and playwright known as Tarak Janubhai Mehta, who is best known for the column Dunya Ne Undha Chasma. He translated and adapted several comedies into Gujarati and was a well-known figure in Gujarati theatre. His humorous weekly column first appeared in Chitralekha in March 1971 and looked at contemporary issues from a different perspective. Because it is looked at something, the contemporary issues, with a different perspective, that is why it is known as Ulta Chashma, that is Undha Chasma. He published 80 books. 3 were based on columns he wrote in Gujarati newspaper Divya Bhaskar, while the rest were compiled from the stories in Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. In 2008, Sub TV, a popular entertainment channel in India, started the sitcom Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma based on his column, and soon it became the flagship show of the channel. The story outline of each episode was such that common man could relate to. Actor Shailesh Lodha portrays Mehta in the show. We all love to see every episode of Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. In fact, I have seen people see this many number of times. I too have seen repeated shows of this serial. We can see everybody wearing spectacles in the different manner. This is only to show that everything can be looked on at with different perspective. Tarak Mehta belonged to the Gujarati Nagar community. He lived in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, where he moved in 2000 with his second wife Indu of over 30 years. His first wife Ila, who later married Manohar Doshi, died in 2006. Also lived in the same apartment building. He had a daughter from his first marriage, Ishani, who lives in United States and has 2 grandchildren, Kushan and Shelly. Mehta died at the age of 87 on March 1st, 2017 after a prolonged illness. His family donated his body to medical research. Mehta was awarded the Padma Shri, the 4th highest civilian award of India, in 2015. Gujarat Sahitya Academy Award was given to him by Sahitya Gaurav Puraskar in 2011, and Raman Lal Neelkant Hasya Paritoshik was given in 2017 after his death. That is why I have written posthumously. Asit Kumar Modi is an Indian TV actor, producer, director and founder of Neela Telefilms Private Limited. He is known for producing the serials Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma, Sab Khelo Sab Jeeto, Waha Waha. The series takes place at Gokuldham Cooperative Housing Society, an apartment complex in Podar Gali, Film City Road, Goregaon East, Mumbai, and centers around the members of Gokuldham Society. Gokuldham is also referred as Mini India in the show. The residents of Gokuldham are shown facing mundane problems, that is day to day daily life problems and finding solutions for those problems. The show also occasionally highlights social issues. Most of the episodes are based on Jethalal being stuck in a problem and Tarak Mehta, his best friend, whom he calls his fire brigade, rescues him. They help each other in their problems to promote unity in diversity. Gokuldham is lively and often laughs. The members of Gokuldham celebrate all the festivals like a family and organize various events. The responsibility of organizing these events is often on Tappu Sena's shoulder, while Bhide is tensed about exceeding the budget. We all know about all this. Isn't this really nice? These are the few pictures that you will love to see, the whole Tappu Sena together, and we can see at the bottom Gogi is over here. He is playing the drum and everybody else is dancing. The most fun part of this serial is its kids group, namely Tappu Sena. Tappu Sena, that is the kids group, consists of 5 kids, 4 boys and a girl, names Goli, a chubby and cute boy, Pinku, a sensible boy, Gogi, a youngest sick boy, Tappu, a naughty as well as sensible boy, and Sonu, a very beautiful and sincere girl, and Tappu is the leader of its group. We all know the journey of Tappu Sena as they all grew in the same society. From playing cricket, organizing events in the society, cheering each other and helping throughout their childhood, Tappu Sena came a long way. Their friendship has been the talk on the show. So this is our advice to all. Make few friends, but keep them close to your heart, just like Tappu and all others do. As we all know that हर एक दोस्त ज़रूरी होता है. This serial is a true example of national, religious and cultural integration. People belonging to different states with different beliefs stay together with love and compassion. Here we can see the famous Gujarati family, the Gada family of Gokuldham society. We have Dayaben here. We have Champaklal, Dadaji. And Tappu is, yes, we can see him here. The scenes are fun-filled with comic elements and keep the readers entertained. Jethalal and his wife Daya have a major role to play. They both make the viewers laugh with their acting, dialogues, dances and songs. We have often seen Daya dancing a Garba dance, which is really nice and sometimes makes us laugh. We also get to see a lot of Gujarati dishes and Gujarati lifestyle. Mehta was awarded the Padma Shri, the 4th highest civilian award of India in 2015. Gujarat Sahitya Academy Award was given to him by Sahitya Gaurav Puraskar in 2011 and Raman Lal Neelkant Hasya Paritoshik was given in 2017 after his death. That is why I have written posthumously. We all love to see every episode of Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. In fact, I have seen people see this many number of times. I too have seen repeated shows of this serial. We can see everybody wearing spectacles. This is the Marathi family of the secretary of the Gokuldham Society. This is Atma Ram Bhide's family. Atma Ram Bhide is the secretary of Gokuldham Society, and we can relate the day-to-day responsibilities that he takes care of the whole society, from paying tax, then regarding water problems, regarding other programs to be organized in the society. Everything is looked after by him. This really interests the viewers or the readers. His wife Malti is known for making pickles, even papad and other things. So this is something, which everybody, a common man, can relate to, and everybody loves seeing each and every family's activities. Tarak Mehta belonged to the Gujarati Nagar community. He lived in Ahmedabad, Gujarat, where he moved in 2000 with his second wife Indu of over 30 years. His first wife Ila, who the scenes are fun-filled with comic elements and keep the readers entertained. Jethalal and his wife Daya have a major role to play. They both make the viewers laugh with their acting, dialogues, dances and songs. We have often seen Daya dancing a Garba dance, which is really, really nice and sometimes makes us laugh. It is fun to watch this couple too. Mr. Iyer of South India, who married Babita, a Bengali girl, and it is really fun to see them. Babita is, as we can all see, a beautiful young girl, and Mr. Iyer is a scientist. Here we can see everybody flying kites. This is so nice to see, so fun loving every member of Gokul Dham society is. We have the Punjabi family. This Punjabi family is full of life and love. Sodhi has a garage and is of a very helpful nature. They are often seen drinking lassi and offering to other people too. Another comic character is Popatlal, who is the reporter of Tufan Express. He is unmarried and is seen dreaming about his marriage in every episode. It is very funny to see him visit marriage bureaus. The way he always holds his umbrella all the time is funny too. This is Abdul's shop, where every male member sits at night. Every night they sit here and have lemonade and discuss about the day-to-day daily problems. Watching Nattu Kaka and Baga, who are the employees of Jethalal's shop, Gada Electronics, is fun too, and we have Baga's wife Bavri over here too. It is fun to watch this couple too. Mr. Iyer of South India, who married Babita, a Bengali girl, and it is really fun to see them. Some wonderful pictures we can relate to. We have often been watching all this. We have been seeing Dayaben say, "Hey Ma, Mataji," in a very, very funny way. Popatlal is always worried about his marriage. Another comic character is Popatlal, who is the reporter of Tufan Express. He is unmarried. Here are some other pictures. I'm sure this episode must have really made you people happy. So I've been thinking how to make things more interesting. This is again a wonderful picture. I have often seen children watching Tarak Mehta Ka Ulta Chashma. And this is another, I think, Chhota Chashma or something. But anyways, this is really very nice, and I thought if we are watching this serial so very often, we need to know who actually wrote these stories, and that was Tarak Janubhai Mehta. So I wanted to bring this episode up. Please let me know if you liked this episode or not. So why do we actually like this episode? This is the main reason why it is running so very successfully. National unity is a process of bringing unity among the people of different religions as India's single identity, unity of the people. It is the one and only way to overcome inequality and other social issues in the society, such as diversity, racial discrimination, etc., as well as strengthening solidarity and unity. This serial or composition of Tarak Mehta is a perfect example of this. It is written in common language and everybody can relate their day-to-day problems and lives with this serial. Thank you, Tarak Janubhai Mehta, for giving us such a script. Mehta was awarded the Padma Shri, the fourth highest civilian award of India in 2015. Gujarat Sahitya Academy Award was given to him by Sahitya Gaurav Puraskar in 2011 and Raman Lal Neelkant Hasya Paritoshik